one day I was using my phone and suddenly it just restarted itself. I wondered, like, okay, this is just probably something normal as it was a hot day. So then I left it like that. As it rebooted itself, I started using it and it reboots itself again. So it became a continuous loop of the phone continuously rebooting itself. So I then wondered, like, okay, I now panicked. I searched the internet for everything or anything I could do that would stop it from doing that because I could not use the phone. I then took it to the Apple Store as I found nothing on the internet. So I took it to the Apple Store, and the guy at the Apple Store, he suggested a factory reset, of which he took out the old software, he put in an updated software, and still the phone was doing the same thing. So the problem is not to do with any software issues, so do not factory reset your phone or do not wipe your phone. The problem is with this little component right here. As you may see, it's a camera. They call it a camera flex. The camera flex is a component that's attached to your LCD that connects the speaker or earpiece, the sensors, and the front camera. If you would like, you can disconnect this component completely and your phone will be able to work. That is a guarantee I give you. Your phone will work without a front camera, no earpiece, so you'd have to use headsets for your phone calls, music. So this problem is caused by this little component right there. Once replaced, your phone will be back to new or secondhand, whichever way you would put it as. I will drop some links in the description of where you may get it, either eBay, Amazon, Craigslist. Yeah, those are the main ones. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if it helped you. Subscribe to my channel and let me know anything you would like me to cover. Thank you and goodbye.
I feel for you. We can never let you down. In the Kulaya, never leave you. In the Kulaya, never leave you. I promise you.